Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For this one, I'll be showing you guys how to add Google Pay to your Shopify online e-store. So adding different payment options to your Shopify store is actually really simple. Specifically for this video though, I'll be showing you guys how to add Google Pay as a payment option for your customers. So make sure you're logged in to your Shopify account and go to your Shopify web store's dashboard. From there, we're going to be clicking on Settings and click on Payments on the left-hand side. From there, simply go to the Search by Payment Methods, and we're going to add Google Pay from the search list as shown here. On this payments list, you can also see a list of all the different payment providers you're already using for your Shopify store. So to add one, simply go to Payments, click on Choose a Provider, then on the search bar underneath the third-party payment providers, simply search for Google Pay. Do note, however, that Google Pay is only available for certain supported countries on your Shopify payment system. You can find a list of all the countries that support Google Pay from the Shopify Help Center as shown here. If you wish to have this payment method when your country is not available for Google Pay, you can use a VPN when adding this payment method. Simply follow the steps that I've already shown you before, but make sure you're connected to a VPN when you do so. As you can see, by using a VPN, if you click on Choose Provider and search for a Google Pay, it'll show up and you can freely add it to your Shopify store. If you have any other questions regarding these steps, make sure to comment down below. Also, leave a like if you feel like you learned something new with this video. And as always, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next tutorial video.